Alright guys, so we're back at the good spot that we ended yesterday, which I will post hopefully soon because I have not worked on it yet, but we're gonna give it casts. So yeah, Jake, I'd change to a frog if you have one, because that's what got crazily annihilated last night. Yep, right here. It's a good spot.
I don't really have a frog, but I have this. Whatever this is. But I have another frog. That's not a frog.
Do I already have one? Was there already taken under? I don't know what that was. It might have been. That was weird. It like just kind of got sucked under.
Are your hooks tucked into it?
No.
Tucked into the stomach?
No.
Are they like close to the stomach?
They're like right up on the back almost.
Oh yeah. It shouldn't have got tucked under for no weeks. Should I try that? This thing looks so dumb.
What is that? What is that? Oh, I got hit. I was just leaving it there. It felt like something was playing with it. I don't know what that was. Oh, let's get him back in.
I'm debating if I should use this or a swim bait.
I would use that. That looks like a frog.
It looks like a small frog. So, if I catch something when I was with Connor at Walker, it started pouring. So now literally everything is left.
Actually?
Yeah.
Oh, that's tough.
Look at the water right here. Do you see all that water?
Holy crap.
It's mostly just the hooks. The swim baits and stuff is fine. Do you have, what's it called? Pliers?
I do. And they have scissors on them, so you're good.
What pocket is it in?
The front pocket. No, yeah. One up. Yeah. No, the bigger one. Yeah. Backpack. It's a good spot. Start popping it. Holy crap! Dude, I got hit. Oh, I got... No! Did he come off? He came off! No. He actually felt big. No chance. What? Yeah, you have to, like, really hook set.
This might be a problem. I opened it and this pocket knife was not put back in.
Oh.
I don't know how to do it.
Yeah, I'll do that.
Somebody just set it out.
Yeah, it's fine. Because we might need it, I don't know. God. Already, dude. I literally told you, first 10 casts, we're going to get slammed somewhere in it.
Is that a nice one? I heard this.
It felt huge. I don't know about huge, but it felt nice. I know that. It felt really nice. It was literally right here.
Bro, how do you open it?
Why is it under? Did, like, the hooks explode somehow? Because it's, like, really weird right now. I don't know what it's doing.
Just plop it.
It's, like, just sinking.
Oh, that's
Let me bring it in. See what's happening.
That's not good.
You got it in that tree?
It broke off, but it dropped right here.
Oh, that's good. Holy crap. Something just... Go! He popped off! He actually popped off! That was like 2 pounds, dude! Come on!
Hello, it's me.
Oh, I'm gonna scream. I'm gonna scream. Huh? Oh, I'm so mad. That thing is huge.
It looks like a snook with a line running down his back.
Oh, wow. That thing is nice. Look at that mouth. Holy crap. That thing is nice.
What happened to its tail?
There's definitely a bigger one in here that's eating each
It
other.
had to be recent because it's bleeding. Is he eating? Is he eating it?
No! Holy shit! Yes! Damn, this thing is huge.
Come to you. Yes.
I do. No. Oh, let's go. Bet, dude. This one's fat. Bet, guys. All right. We got him. Holy Connor. Look at the mouth.
Oh my god, this is it.
I'm Sky. He's definitely a good 2. That's a 2-pounder. Easy. Nice 2-pounder. We're going to release him. There he goes. Oh, that's a fish. Let's go. Told you the turn works. Gotta let it get its anger out. That is not the dinkiest dink. Stop. Put it down. That's not the dinkiest dink.
Bro, that destroyed that. Can I hold him when you're done?
Absolutely not.
Please. I haven't touched a fish today yet.
Catch one.
That's a perfect ass hook set.
Dink.
Show the camera. Lincoln, I have this stuff.
Little guy.
Dude, that's gotta be.
Okay, guys. We were just casting because we went out to a new pond. I wasn't recording because my phone died. Lift it up off the bank. Just bring it to the shore. Bring it to the grass. And I caught this absolute tank. This absolute tank on a spinnerbait. Oh my god, he freaking crushed it.
Probably a 2-pounder.
Oh my god, Connor, more.
Maybe 2.5.
This absolute tank. Holy crap, look at that mouth. Here, let me get it out. Oh, no. This thing is huge.
Probably like a 2-pound.
Oh, here, record it. This thing is huge. Look at how fat this thing is, Connor. Holy crap. That stomach is so thick. Look at that mouth, dude. I'm using 4 fingers.
All right, let's weigh it. Let's get a weight on it. Biggest bass of the day. Clamp.
Takes a
The weight.
second. Oh.
Whoa. Whoa.
Nice.
A 2.9, almost a 3-pounder.
That is definitely almost
That is
a
a
3.
great fish.
Holy crap, dude. This thing is absolutely massive. That one! Holy crap! It's huge! Holy crap! Connor, get the net! Actually, get the net! Holy crap! another big one. Holy crap, that one is chunky. All right, let's bring it up, Let's go. He crushed this out of my thing. Holy crap, let's go. This pond is huge. This pond is filled with monsters, mammoths. All right, let's see. Holy crap, he is bigger. Let's see your mouth, cuz. Holy crap.
Spinnerbait. That is fat.
Holy shit. Oh my god, look at that stomach.
That's like
Holy shit.
no, it could be a 4, but I think it's just.
Oh my god. The mouth is freaking giant.
Let's get it in.
Holy crap. Oh my god. Holy crap. I need to turn it on.
It is on.
Okay. Dude, I'm freaking out.
Hold it in front.
Oh.
3.7.
3.7.
That is almost a 4 pounder. That's almost the size of my PB.
This thing is freaking huge, guys. Look at the stomach on this thing.
Oh my!
It like ate a bluegill before I caught it. Oh my god.
Wow, just a healthy.
Look at the head.
That is such a healthy
The
bass.
head, the belly, holy. The mouth is absolutely massive. Oh my god. I am so excited, guys. We're gonna release him. So Connor should video it, guys. So let's see.
Let's get a slow. I'm recording.
Alright. Oh my god. That guy was absolutely insane. Alright, but we fixed the spinnerbait. He's back up and running. Looking absolutely beautiful. Guys, if you want the spinnerbait, I don't remember what it's completely called, but it's a Guggen spinnerbait. It's got the colors of the Chargers, if you're a fan of football. Red, blue. No, not red. Yellow, blue, white. It's absolutely a great spinnerbait. I highly recommend investing in one. Because it has gotten me... this is one of the first times I've used it. It's already gotten me 2 almost 3 pounders. Actually, 2 3 pounders. This is insane. I'm literally freaking out, dude.
I guarantee it's 6 pounders.
Holy crap, yeah. If we've already got 2 3 pounders, there's definitely 6.
Stop rocking the beat. Come on.
That's one! That's one! He came off! No! He took off the bait! That's a big fish. Holy crap. No! Yeah, I do. That was actually huge. That one felt big. Damn it.
They all feel big. These bass probably.
No. I'm gonna try to be casting it into this fountain more, because that is how I've attracted them. It's swam out from the fountain, and it's been good. It's been very good, actually. This spot a cast.
Stop rocking the beat. Come on.
No! No! That was big! Dude, no shot! He snapped the hook. He snapped the hook. Yes! That's a freaking giant. Look at what he did to the hook. All right, guys. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. And today was a great video. I'll see you later.